Alright guys, welcome to my video, and what we're gonna do now is to talk about this drone, the DEERC mini drone D20 HD 720p camera. We're gonna be doing a reviewing, an unboxing, and possible flight tests. Now this drone is one of the best drones to begin with, and I always like to say this is a beginner's drone. So if you're first time going to fly a drone, this is the drone that you must have. And this drone, no matter how much times it falls, it never breaks. So stay tuned. All right, guys. So this is the D20 DEERC D20 HD camera drone. It's a beginner's drone. It's one of the best drones that I've ever tested, and I'm here to show you all a review and an unboxing of this drone here. As we open it up, what we have here is the controller. Gotta get some batteries for it too as well. We have the drone itself, right? And we got some other parts to like batteries, some propellers, and so on. Right, so this mini drone, as I was always referred to as a monster drone, is the best drone to begin with. Like if you're the first time that you're doing a like flying a drone, and you want to get to know about it, this is the best drone to start off with. If you never, in fact, if you never fly a drone before, this is the best drone to start off with. As you can see, it have a little camera, but it's kind of manual. It's 720p, so you gotta move it manually up and down. It have its propellers. It have the battery compartment here. This is the battery that comes with it, so you're gonna fit it directly into the compartment like this. All right, like this, inside safely. All right. Make sure it is locked in tight. All right. Well, next, we're gonna talk about the controller. All right, which basically has a phone grip. All right, the power button. As you see, your trim button, so you could actually move left and right. This is your throttle to actually go up and come down. You see a power button here, on and off, with your switches here, with the lights. On top here is your automatic take off and landing here. Long press for it to come down off to the sky like an emergency button. You have a headless mode and your flip. If you want to flip your drone, you press this one here. You have the speed indicator 1, 2, and 3. Of course, I'm going to be testing all 1, 2, and 3. One touch for your camera and one long press for video. Alright, so this is basically a very neat drone. So what we're gonna do now is to add some batteries to it. We're gonna show you how to do the calibration and so on for it, and then probably just take it for a flight test afterwards. All right, so there we have our drone, and what we're gonna do now, first thing I'm gonna do actually, because it follow the camera here, I'm gonna put in the batteries and make sure you got some strong AA batteries. I'm using Energizer, the rechargeable ones. Alright, it's not like you have a lot of money to be buying batteries all the time. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on my drone. So there's a power button right here. I'm going to turn it on and it's going to start blinking. So what we got to do first and foremost is to power on the controller. Right, and as you can see, no power is coming on. So what I need to do is to check to make sure that I put my batteries in correctly. Alright, so I'm going to check again, make sure it is in correctly, and try it. Alright, so there is it. This is on. Let me put back in the battery compartment here. Alright, and I'm first going to calibrate it first by using the joystick like this, and as you can see, it's totally the light is stopped blinking. But there's one thing that I would like to do too, is to do the compass calibration, which I'm going to just push down and then back like this. And I'm going to blink a couple of times and then it is going to stop. So from now I'm going to put my drone on a flat surface, and I'm actually flying it inside. And watch how the controller is. I'm going to press now the automatic takeoff like this, and watch what happens now. It actually goes up in the air. And now I can actually use my controller now to actually guide it around. Okay? Simple like that. And if I go up, I push in the up part of the controller, the throttle. Alright? Come down with my flight test. And what I'm going to do now is actually just push this button here. Watch it. And it will automatically land. Alright? So when we come back, we'll do another flight test and show some other stuff that the drone could do and why this is the best beginner's drone that you could use. Alright? Right, so I actually now connected my iPhone to the drone. Now my drone is off, and as you can see, it's still blinking here. So I have to do like the compass calibration on it again. So what I do now is head across to the settings and make sure that the Wi-Fi is connected. Alright? So I could now go to my app, which I get in the App Store. And as you can see, and if I pick up the drone, you'll see that you will actually get to see my video. And of course, I will post the video up so you could actually take a look at it. All right. So again, I'm going to make sure that my Wi-Fi is connected. All right. Hit the app. Sometimes it's good to always come back out of the app and launch the app again. Actually get the camera or the gimbal working up. And as you can see now, it is working, but when we fly it, you will see it much better. So I have to do the compass calibration again. So I'm going to put back on my drone, head the throttle up and down a couple of times until the light stops. All right? And then I'm going to do a compass calibration by pulling down again to the right. All right, rocking it a little bit, and then it stops. And what I'm going to do now is to take off using this button here. All right, to take off my drone. So watch the drone move now. Right, as you can see. And sometimes you can move in or drifting too much to the left, you could always use the trim button. And as you can see, the mode that is in is very fast. I can even increase the speed if I want. Alright, so that's the fastest speed now. Alright, and you can take a look at the camera there, you can see it moving around. Alright, now pay attention to the drone now, everybody who's watching my channel. I'm going to do what we call a 3D flip. I'm going to press the button. As you can see what's happening here, and I press this button here at the side here. This one here to actually do the 3D flip. Right, so watch it again. I'm going to press it. I'm actually going to do a flip forward now. Right. So as I said before, and I'm coming now in front of the camera now, as you can see, as I said before, this drone is the best drone to buy if you want to learn to fly a drone, if you never fly a drone before. Right? So I can move it up and down, side to side. Calibration is on point. I'm going to put a link in the description so you can actually buy the drone itself on Amazon. Right? And what I'm going to do next now is just to take it out using the landing button. And as you can see, it cuts off by itself. Alright? So, what do we do next? Basically, just go on Amazon and get yourself one of these drones. The DEERC D20 720p HD. I mean, the camera quality is not all that, but for those who never fly a drone before and eager to actually fly one, this is the beginner's drone, is the best drone. And the good thing about this drone, no matter how much times it crashes, the motor does never burn out. All right, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, everybody, and look out again for another video on another drone that we're going to be looking at right here at my channel, Andrew Kado and Chocolate.Mills. So stay tuned, make sure and subscribe for more drone videos and for other videos too as well.